Morning, guys. Good morning. We got news coming out in about 60 seconds. So just going to wait on that. And we'll see. Hopefully, yeah, that's cool. I like that they added this feature, this little countdown clock. That's dope. Hopefully it just refreshes. That'd be sick. But, yeah, looking at the ES in the NASDAQ contract futures charts, we've got this gap to fill. And remember I said I think that NAS looks a touch stronger. You know, you can kind of see how ES made a little bit stronger of a push through this low versus NAS looks just like a little bit, if you were to just drop some divergence there. It's not technically a divergence because we still breached the low, but it just looks stronger. And then, you know, we've kind of had this condition where NAS structure holds. You know, they make the same move, but, you know, you'll see sometimes where ES doesn't hold the structure and we get stopped, and then NAS does exactly what we were thinking was going to happen on ES. So just going to be open to taking a trade on whichever one gives us the cleanest setup. But yeah, going to see how news comes out here. Let's see. Pending, of course. But yeah, what I'm thinking is we've already swept this sell side. We can mark the current sell side again and just see if news wants to take it out one more time. I'm just going to keep the same line here on NAS. But what I'm thinking is now that news is out, if we start seeing displacement to the upside, we're going to get a fair value gap entry because we've already swept sell side. So yeah, this is there's our displacement for now. Do I got to refresh this? All right, so we got negative news for the dollar, which is good for the indices, but we've got contradicting news here on this one orange folder. So we'll see what we get here. I'm kind of thinking that obviously we're bullish, so you know that'll push to close this gap. My thoughts is that if we were bearish with the indice news, that we would you know, still look for longs to fill the gap, and then we can get in for sells. But if we're bullish, which we are on the red folder, the consumer confidence, then obviously we just want to stick to being bullish, I would say. So let's see what we get though, because obviously right before news, this move that swept liquidity here on NAS, you know, we've got displacement and imbalance in here. So what we could see is price just chops around here for a little bit and then sets up the move. But yeah, definitely want to see a move into this gap today, and hopefully we can get an entry. NAS already kind of filled that gap, to be honest, but ES left it open and it just went into it. So I'm actually going to take a long right here, guys. Stop below this low. I know that was quick. If we don't get this, I'm not going to be able to send this in the Discord, I don't think. Yeah, I'm going stop below this low, 5-point stop. I'm going to see if I can partial at 5-point TP1. But yeah, we're in this gap. We got a displacement on S&P, but we did not get one on, we did get a small one on NAS, but let's see if this will play nice for us. 5-point TP1. And other take profits. We'll go back to electronic trading hours. Ooh. I would honestly say, yeah, just take another partial at this high. Kind of tight, but... Or you can just do a little bit bigger TP here at 5 points at this order block, whichever you're comfortable with. But just because we got not really anything up until, actually, the only thing I see otherwise is this fair value gap. But I don't want to take too many partials, because obviously if we're going to fill that entire gap, I want to catch most of that move. So let's just delete this one, guys. Let's go TP2 here at this fair value gap, and then let's leave a runner. I still have time to get in on TradingView or MetaTrader. Let's see if I can send this quick. All right, let's see what we get. We got displacement both on ES and NAS in favor with the news here. Stop below the low. See how this 5-minute closes. All right. SL hit, obviously. And then we'll do a 1-to-1 TP1. And then leave runners. Hopefully it leaves this open for us. Come on. Get in there. There we go. Alright, I'm in. Last trade of the morning for me. Either way. Definitely like the structure a little bit more on NAS, so I think we're in the better of the two. TP1, TP... This is a little bit more, so let's just go TP1, 2, 3. And then if you want, you can leave a runner to the gap that has yet to be filled. That's gonna be my plan. I'm just gonna chill, just cause this fair value gap's right here. I don't want to see some stupid wick come down, get us out. You know what I'm saying? So just disregard this. You can if you want. Obviously, we're up a lot. So manage your account the way you want to manage your account. I'm okay leaving my risk on the table still. TP1. It doesn't make any sense to let this turn into a loss. So I am going to remove my risk for now. I'm going to let the Discord know. So if we come back up here, I'm going to shave a partial off. Yo. Yo. Alright, guys. Yeah, keep an eye on these levels if you're in this trade. Boom. TP1, TP2, TP3. Do it. You won't. First entry on Nas got stopped at B after TP1, but took a second entry. Do it, Ivan. You all talk? I'm just kidding, bro. I hope you're fucking kidding. I assume you are. Yeah. Otherwise, let's real quick look at the gap here on NAS. Regular trading hours. This gap, holy. I mean, this thing really could, guys, like... I mean, you might as well take off your position at that gap because that's a move and a half. What is that? This is the high of 845. This is 845 candle on the 1 minute chart for NAS. 845 Central, so 945 Eastern. And then the top of the gap, honestly, I would consider this more so like more high probability. It'll all be good. We got news tomorrow at 7:30 Central, so we got an hour before open, and we'll be good. So we'll do normal time tomorrow at opening bell. For the most part, I'm thinking, yeah. And I'll keep you guys updated on any forex trades. All right. So have an amazing Tuesday, y'all. Peace out. Catch you guys tomorrow.